let me show you how to install WhatsApp on your Google Pixel 11, also 11 Pro. So first you simply want to open the Play Store on your phone. And in the search, simply type in WhatsApp. Okay, so click on it and then click install. It will take a while to get downloaded and installed. So let's simply wait a bit. Okay, so see it's installing and now we can open it up. Also, the app will get placed on your home screen somewhere. So see, or also in your app library. So we can click to open it. And next click agree and continue. Allow notifications, and simply you need to enter the phone number here. And then you can need to verify. If you also click here, as you see, you can also link it as companion device. So if you maybe have your main WhatsApp on another device, you can simply use it on multiple phones at the same time if using this option here. Okay, like